doing? Did I get that? Oh, I can see how rubbish it is. Not bad.
Let's have a look. For a quick sketch.
Yeah.
Yep, no, you've
I've
achieved your goal.
Now I'll get up.
The example that we've seen with my mum today, I'm going to stick this sketchbook and do a 5-minute shadow sketching attempt. Let's just see if I can do this as quickly as I possibly can. Rather difficult. I've gone for a much larger sketchbook and a piece of paper, but it really is just about getting a rough scribbly line from the shadows, praying that everything doesn't move too far afield. Quick lines, drawings. And it just gives you a real abstract way of drawing. So we've got a load of scribbly lines on there, but it at least is a different aspect of how to do a quick sketch in your sketchbook.